hornet. Hornets are a type at large, social wasp that belong to the genus Vespa. They are typically larger than other types of wasps, with some species reaching lengths of up to 5 centimeters, 2.2 in. Hornets are known for their aggressive behavior and powerful sting, which can be dangerous to humans, especially those who are allergic. Hornets are found throughout much of the world, but are most common in temperate climates. They typically build their nests in trees, shrubs, or other elevated locations. The nests are made of a papery material that the hornets create by chewing up wood fibers and mixing them with saliva. Hornets are important predators in many ecosystems, as they feed on other insects, including pests that can damage crops. However, they can also be a nuisance and a danger to humans, particularly if they build their nests near human habitation. If you encounter a hornet nest, it is best to avoid it and seek the assistance of a pest control professional if necessary. Here are some interesting facts about the life of hornets. Number 1. Hornets are social insects and live in colonies that can contain hundreds or even thousands of individuals. Number 2. The queen hornet is the largest member of the colony and is responsible for laying eggs. The workers, which are all female, take care of the queen and the young, as well as foraging for food and defending the nest. Number 3. Hornets typically build their nests in the spring, with the queen starting the nest by laying eggs in small cells. As the colony grows, the workers add more cells to the nest and build it out into a larger structure. Number 4. The nest of a hornet can be quite large and may contain several layers of combs with individual cells for eggs and developing larvae. Number 5. Hornets are omnivores and feed on a variety of insects, as well as nectar and other plant juices. Number 6. Hornets are known for their powerful sting, which is used primarily for defense. The venom of some species of hornets can be especially potent and may cause allergic reactions in some people. Number 7. Hornet colonies typically die off in the fall, with the workers and males dying and the young queens overwintering to start new colonies in the spring. Number 8. Hornets are important predators in many ecosystems, helping to control populations of other insects that can damage crops and other plants. Number 9. Some species of hornets, such as the Asian giant hornet, have been introduced to new areas and are considered invasive species that can pose a threat to local ecosystems and agriculture. Number 10. Hornets have been used in traditional medicine in some cultures, with claims that their venom can have anti-inflammatory and other beneficial effects. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support these claims. Hornets, like all living organisms, face a number of biological challenges in their daily lives. Here are some of the challenges that hornets must overcome. Number 1. Finding food. Like all insects, hornets must find food to survive. They are omnivores and feed on a variety of insects, as well as nectar and other plant juices. Finding enough food to sustain a large colony can be a challenge, especially during periods of drought or other environmental stresses. Number 2. Building and defending the nest. Hornets build their nests out of a papery material that they create by chewing up wood fibers and mixing them with saliva. Building a large, complex nest can be a time-consuming and energy-intensive process. Additionally, hornets must defend their nest from predators and other threats, such as humans who may accidentally disturb the nest. Number 3. Reproduction. The queen hornet is responsible for laying eggs and producing new members of the colony. However, she must first find a suitable mate and then successfully navigate the challenges of egg laying and rearing young. Number 4. Parasites and diseases. Like all living organisms, hornets are vulnerable to a variety of parasites and diseases that can affect their health and survival. For example, some species of hornets are parasitized by parasitic wasps that lay their eggs inside the hornet's body, eventually killing it. Number 5. Environmental stresses. Hornets must also contend with a range of environmental stresses, such as changes in temperature, humidity, and food availability. Climate change and other environmental pressures can make these stresses even more challenging to overcome. Despite these challenges, hornets are highly adaptable insects that have evolved a range of strategies to help them survive and thrive in their environments.